Here is my setup for testing these solenoids. I have a lead coming off the negative, and that's over here connected to that small wire on my solenoid because the yellow wire broke off. And then over here, my lead from the positive is this test light. So I have this test light, and when I connect the test light, watch what happens. You'll see the light come on, but the solenoid does not activate. I'm looking for that plunger to move up away from the solenoid and click into those copper terminals. I see that I have continuity, I see that I have power, I have no click. I did the same thing with each of these solenoids, and each time I got no click. I was really frustrated. So I contacted a friend of mine nearby, another Naked Gold Wing Club member for a very long time, Cliff Reynolds, and I told him about the situation of testing these solenoids and not getting a single click from any one of them. He deduced that it had to be something wrong with my testing. We talked about how I had it all set up. He thought about it for a little while, and when I told him that I was using the test light as my positive, he suggested that I build a new jumper. This is what I've done. I built a new jumper that did not include the light, and see if that made the difference. And so here's the test. With the new jumper, I apply power to the terminal. See if I can do this one-handed. As I make that connection, bingo. I was testing with a lead light instead of a jumper, and just having that lead light as my probe was preventing those solenoids from clicking. So what I have concluded is that all of my solenoids, including the solenoid that is currently on the motorcycle, are doing what they're supposed to do. My problem is, why am I not getting energy back here on these two lines? Why am I not getting energy on these lines to activate my solenoid?